Hey everyone, so I just decided to do a video today on how I extract results. Apparently, it's a fascination among a lot of people, so they want to know how this stuff works and things like that. So, as you can see here, this is the result website for bput University, and here you enter your registration number. Let's say anything 130110. I'm not going to enter mine because my grades are horrible. 6285. Okay, and let's pick his date of birth 11. This is my friend's result actually. So yeah, so and this comes right fourth, fifth sem, sixth sem, and God knows why first sem has come. So there are a lot of irregularities which have to be taken care of. Anyways, so this is the result format you will be dealing with, right? And people want to know how do we extract all this information and then store it in a database and store it for later, right? To perform all kinds of analysis. Okay, so I've written a program for that. It's in Python and it uses Selenium to simulate browser interaction. Okay, so this is my web scraping class which has some methods, initialization, what start roll number, end roll number, and the birthday and the URL of the results link. And it, as you can see, it implements threading, and that's very important. We can run multiple instances of this class at the same time, which will greatly speed up our execution process, right? So instead of hour and a half or 2 hours, it will take max around 5 to 10 minutes. Anyway, so this is a run program. So we have Chrome driver which we'll use to simulate our browser interaction. Then we have URL defined already and birthday has been defined. Then this will find let me show you. First it will find this, then enter the data, then it will enter the date of birth, then click this. And then you can enter what kind of semester you want, like 6th sem, 5th sem. So it will find this and then click the appropriate links as below. And then it will extract the name, the branch, right, the role, and all this stuff, right? Not this, yeah, including this, right? Subject code, credit, grade, and this stuff. So without any much delay, let's see how this works. So yeah, so this is a scraper.py. So basically, if I go to the terminal, right? So I have to write Python scraper.py. And let's see what it does, right? So the data has opened, right? So as you can see, it is filling up and it is launching multiple instances of the browser, right? And each has been the roll numbers divided among themselves, right? So a chunk of roll number goes to this one, the chunk of roll number goes to that, and this makes execution a hell of a lot faster. Okay, so it will happen like this and it will open all the browser windows, right? Okay, let's pick a browser window for example, say this one. See, as you can see, it's clicking, done, extraction done, click done, right? Okay, and you can see all this is printed here, right? Yeah. So let's keep it to around 100 and 120 because yeah, extracting the full results is going to take around 15 minutes and we don't have that much time, unfortunately. Yeah. So by the way, let me go to the main window, right? Yeah, as you can see here, name has been extracted, branch has been extracted, subjects have been extracted, right? And then here the starting roll number of the batch and the ending roll number. Yeah, it can be anything, you can put your best guess around here, right? And this is the shredding stuff, right? Yeah, part responsible for launching multiple instances of the web browsers, right? Okay, fine. So yeah, this is a program for extracting the data. Okay, so this format is actually comma separated value it's putting in, so it's kind of like an Excel sheet which you can modify or view it raw directly. Okay, so this is enough, let's stop this. Okay, so we have stopped this program and then we have all the data already printed here. Okay, scrolling is taking a lot of time, like this one. Yeah, so this is the data that we are going to do, right? So let me just copy it instantly. Okay, I'm having some problems in it. Okay, so we have copied this, and then let's post it in a CSV file known as database.csv, right? So this has been done. This is not a big deal exactly. Here you can see here database.csv. It will open the Excel file. This is Linux, of course, so open source stuff. So as you can see, our data is here neatly tucked around, right? The names, index, all that stuff. Mr. Basically everything, grades, right? Basically you have everything here, right? So we delete this because we do not need this. We do not need this as well, and we do not need this. So let's save it again and let's open it here. So now time to make sense of the data. Now we'll keep it here and post it here, right? So this is all the filtered data. Now we have to filter it, right? So this is another program which just filters it, right? Yeah, and just converts the data into queries, right? So you can insert those queries in a database or run it somewhere you want to. So let's say we want to find the CG of all the people and insert it into our data. So here we have upgrade CG. This is a batch ID. This is a regular guys, not a lateral entry guys. This is the source of the file. This one, right? And we have the batch and we have the ID as well. ID should be unique and anything you want. Though I make it incremental. Let's say I started with 1000, so next one will be 1001 or something like that. Anyways, this is, let's say, 1100, and we run this one, right? Okay, so process has finished, and here's the output of all the stuff, right? All the grades of all the students, right? Yeah, you can see 130, 112, 1100, 7171, 24 is the total credits, right? And then we can just go to the database, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is a okay, so here we can insert it, right? So where is this exam? Yeah, you can just inline click this and then paste that stuff, right? Yeah. So then you'll go and then the data will be inserted. Since I've already inserted this, we will not waste time, and then we'll see our results, right? Yeah. Let's just go to a command line. Okay. So now we are going to use this database, right? Use results DB. Okay, so now we are in this database. So now we have various columns, like various tables, which I'll just show you in detail. Like, so back score is the grades of every subject in back exams. Back semester is the credits. Branch is the branch ID. Exam is the SGPA one. This one actually. This one, yeah. This is the exam table, right? It contains SGPA. Then there's name tags for subjects. Then the score, right? Score is just like your grades in every subject for every individual. Then the semester IDs, then student, and then subject. Subject contains the names actually. So describe students. Let's see what student contains, right? So student contains all these fields, right? So name, right? Let's see where right number equal to the one we tested this. Yeah, so you can see the name. So now you can see all the details of the student here. Yeah, branch, batch, CGPA, right? This is null, of course, here. And because he hasn't passed out, so now we'll select scores, right? From exam, where student ID equals to sorry, I missed a quote. Voila, so we have our ID here, and then we have semester ID here, then we have SGPA here, and credits here. And if we want to view the right, I want to view the scores of 6th semester, right? This is the last one. Semester ID. Okay, this is equal to 1011. See, as you can see, student ID, subject ID, grades, right? Yeah, and all this come to 9.63. Okay, so that about concludes our video, and hope you enjoyed it. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.